Today I'm reviewing the August Home Smart Lock. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's dive into what makes the August Smart Lock stand out. First off, installation is refreshingly simple. You don't need to be a DIY expert. The lock fits neatly on the inside of your door over your current single-cylinder deadbolt. In most cases, setup takes just about 10 minutes. Since it doesn't alter the exterior look of your door, your home's curb appeal stays intact. A big plus if you want smart technology without the visual impact of bulky new hardware. One of the most convenient features of this smart lock is how it lets you keep your physical keys, but you don't really need them anymore. With the August app, available for both iOS and Android, you can lock and unlock your door remotely using Wi-Fi. This means no more fumbling for keys or worrying about losing them. The app also allows you to grant access to trusted friends, family, or visitors instantly. You can set permanent, scheduled, or temporary permissions so that your dog walker, housekeeper, or guest can enter only when you want them to, all without hiding a key under the mat. It's a much safer and smarter way to share access. Security is a big focus here. The August lock includes optional biometric verification, letting you use your phone's face or fingerprint ID as a two-factor authentication method. For added peace of mind, it supports auto-locking after your door closes or after a set amount of time, so you don't have to worry about accidentally leaving your door unlocked. Plus, it offers auto-unlock functionality, meaning the door can automatically open as you approach, allowing hands-free entry. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi. Unlike some smart locks that require a separate hub, this one connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network. It's compatible with popular smart home platforms, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings, so you can integrate it effortlessly into your existing setup. If you prefer keyless entry without your phone, the August Smart Lock supports an optional smart keypad accessory sold separately. This lets you unlock your door with a unique access code, perfect for kids, temporary visitors, or service providers. Let's talk about reliability. The August Lock has earned multiple accolades, including CNET Editor's Choice in 2020 and 2021, and has been named the best smart lock by Good Housekeeping and Tom's Guide. These awards highlight its solid performance, ease of use, and strong security features. A few technical notes. Before purchasing, make sure your door's backset, crossbar, and thickness are compatible with this lock. It works on Wi-Fi networks operating at both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. For best security, August recommends enabling two-step verification on your account. Customer feedback is generally positive, with over 11,000 reviews averaging 4 out of 5 stars. Users appreciate the easy installation, smooth app interface, and enhanced home security it provides. Some users note minor issues with Wi-Fi connectivity in larger homes, but these are typically resolved with proper router placement. So who is the August Smart Lock best for? It's ideal for homeowners who want a simple way to upgrade their security without replacing existing hardware. It's great for busy families, frequent travelers, or anyone who wants to monitor and control home access remotely. In conclusion, the August Home Silver Wi-Fi connected smart lock combines convenience, security, and smart technology in a compact, elegant design. With easy installation, app-controlled access sharing, and compatibility with major smart home systems, it offers a modern upgrade to your traditional deadbolt. If you're ready to embrace keyless living and enhance your home security, this August Smart Lock is definitely worth considering.